So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll be sharing with you the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experienced. And we will be also covering the fresher level job opportunities for Java. So there is a company in which there is a hiring for freshers. So let me showcase you the details. So there is a Java fresher opening and it's a permanent work from home remote. You have to send your resume at this particular email address, recruitment@webomates.com. They are looking for Java freshers. Qualification is bachelor's degree or equivalent, BS in IT or CS or an MCA. And salary would be up to 7.5 LPA. Job location is permanent work from home. You can work from anywhere in India. Last date is as soon as possible. So you need to apply for this particular position today itself. They are looking for someone who is trained in Java or has completed a course in Java. OOPS concept is a must. Strong knowledge of Java programming language and concepts. Strong knowledge of Java 1.8 concepts like Stream, API, Lambda, etc. Proficiency in object-oriented programming principles and design patterns. Then familiarity with Java frameworks and libraries such as Spring, Hibernate. So you can apply to this particular position today itself. Then Qualcomm is hiring freshers. So I'll be putting this link in the comment section of the video. Then there is an opportunity for software intern Python with Cars 24. The location is Gurgaon, NCR. Duration is 6 months. You can send your email. You can send your resume to this particular email address. Apart from that, there are multiple other job opportunities. So let me just share my screen. Yeah. So this is about the WebOmeets company. I just shared the details with you. They are looking for Java freshers. Then uh, let me no, right. So then there is a hiring for QA intern. So this is the contact number 7470752743, and this is the email address where you can send your resume not only for QA interns but for Flutter interns, PHP, BDE, front end intern. All these job opportunities are there. Then there is a job opportunity for QA lead, QA test engineer with 2+ years of experience. Location is Bangalore. You can send your CV at sushma@neocred.tech. Then Talentica is hiring for QA engineers, 2 to 4 years of experience. As did Python automation, 4 to 6 years of experience. Qualification is BE, BTech from top 100 premium institutes. Work location is again remote. You can send your resume at careers@talentica.com. Then there is a job opportunity for freshers, automation testers. You can scan this code or you can also email your resume at talent@optisolvebusiness.com. So these are few of the job opportunities for freshers, interns, for experience in Java as well as for software testing. And I would request you to apply today itself. And thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.